Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, good morning and welcome back to the William family. So me and the girls are heading out, and for those who are going to work, doing whatever you're doing, I hope you have a blessed day. It is the weekend is here. And we are about to turn up.
You gave them the wrong one?
Mommy, sorry, give me the wrong one.
I'm on the phone with hubby right now, trying to work out some stuff. He's at work sneaking a call. Well, he does every day. He calls me every day. We talk to each other every day. Whether he's at work or not, we make sure to call and we talk to each other. So whether when I have my break at school, we sit and talk and whatever. But it is Friday today. So let me put this thing on mute. So me and the girls are about to head out. We got a few running around to do, and we figured that we'll go out and enjoy the day and get things done.
I just heard a bird.
You heard a bird?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll bring you guys along with us. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to leave. And the girls them are in their back having their breakfast. And they woke up so late.
No, it's lunchtime.
Well, yeah, it's actually lunch. It's brunch, 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime.
I woke up 2 times and like,
So,
it was so cold.
yeah, and they literally just woke up. So, so we are heading out. Oh Lord, well at least the wall mount is working. Sorry, it's a little bit extremely shaking. Hubby's got to adjust that. So we are heading out now. Oh, no construction.
It's coming
today.
off.
No construction today.
Tonight. I just wanna love you. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you know you're making it so hard. So hard, so hard.
We just did one errand. We decided that, well, the girls them got Tinbits and ice cap, which they kind of started spilling in the car. And all I got was, what did I get? Oh, I got mine with a vanilla shot and whipped cream. Look a little bit of whipped cream. Where people them give me. I can't even find it. I can't even find the whipped cream. As if Mario got this one, he would have cussed, because he cussed last time, because I didn't even know what. I can't even see the whipped cream. You know, you pay so much, you almost pay $1 for whipped cream.
He's like, excuse me, I didn't pay this much to get this little bit of whipped cream. And
you almost pay $1 for whipped cream, and yet they just put one little thing on it. I don't know what that is. They said we're supposed to get like rain, hail, and strong winds today because it's so hot outside, and I guess it's just too hot. So,
Girl, why'd you want to do that in rain?
but anyways, we are going further down into town, and yeah, I guess we're just gonna go have some. Oh look, my sunglasses are like lopsided. We're gonna just go have more like having a girls' day out, so we're just gonna go have some lunch.
Yeah.
And yeah,
We're gonna have spicy
I'll check in with you guys when we reach where we are going.
Spicy dragon.
Singing artists, backup singers. This one got the shoe.
I got my mind on my money, what you been on my own now. Now I'm making own now. Do it on my own now.
Guys, so we are in the hair store. Oh, looking for hair. What is this? Wow. No, I'm not doing dreads. What?
Oh, these are thin.
No, it's something like these, but I want the smaller ones for her.
I remember you were looking at the other store.
Yeah, it was the same thing, but these ones are bigger.
What about these ones? They're tiny. They're not as big as those ones.
No, these ones look big. Let me see. They're the same thing. They're big too. I think they have kids ones.
dreadlocks?
No, they're not dreadlocks.
Like,
They're
these are
crochet.
waves.
I'm gonna crochet your hair.
These are plaid though.
What are you over here in the corner? What? You're always doing some silliness.
I did on Mary's birthday.
What? You're so silly.
No, so your hair's gonna crochet. Wait, this is crochet hair.
I don't have to crochet your hair. I could do her hair differently. But I don't want something that looks too grown.
Too
That's the
grown
thing.
and
You
stuff,
need
yeah.
something that looks like
Oh,
a
these
child.
girls, this is how I want my curls to be. But then they're just like,
I don't want you looking like you're like
You're supposed to look like
15.
this.
You're supposed to look like you're
You're
like.
not supposed to look like that.
Oh!
Sorry.
Off of me. Hey guys.
Wait.
So, Fade. It's so hot in here. And now the place just finished raining and it's even hotter. I couldn't even vlog too much into the store because these ones are running up and down, giving talking as usual. So we're doing change of plans.
Dairy Queen.
Yeah. I think we're gonna go
like an
elsewhere
hour
to
to
go
get versus-
eat.
What?
Oh gosh.
We're gonna go get food.
Well, yeah. I don't know. We're gonna go somewhere else.
I want KFC. It's KFC.
You guys are eating that. You better hope that don't run your bellies.
No. If I could warm up ice cream.
Alright guys, so we've made that's our second stop. So we are heading to the next place, and these ones are, as usual, on my on my Snapchat over here taking pictures of themselves. Boy, the heat just turned up in Toronto today. Like, the rain helped cool down the place, but now the sun is coming back out and it's even hotter than before. So it is just crazy. It is hot. We're driving out. We're on our way home. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some dinner together and get these stuff unpacked and put things away and yeah. And I gotta go take out Arissa's hair because I gotta get her hair done. So she's gotta wash and treat her hair and get that done so I can do her hair. But boy, it is hot like a mother fofo out here. Man, they say Canada weather is so bipolar. It's either you're freezing cold or you're extremely hot. Like nowadays, it doesn't even feel like there's no in between. Because before we have 4 seasons, but boy, I don't think it's been quite 4 seasons this year. It's just been well off. So we had a fun girl day out. We had too much running around to do. We didn't even get to stop to go have like lunch because it's just too much of a hectic day. But we can say we had a good day, a good girls' day. Finally home, and I just have all these stuff to bring upstairs. What is that? All
Meat. All the meat them.
okay. If that's all meat, those can go upstairs. That can go in the deep freeze. So, oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna come take these stuff here. Take those. Huh?
This is light.
Yeah. What? Let me see what type of meat's in that one.
You got a package, mother.
Here. I got a package?
Yes.
Oh, I wonder if that's my...
Memphis.
Here, that can. Take out that.
This?
Take out this out of there. Take out the condensed milk that's in there. All that can go in the for deep freeze. Yeah, and the waters. Take out and put three thing of water and bring one upstairs.
Yeah. This one?
Okay, what an exhausting day. Right now I have currently I have a headache. But you know what? Headache or no headache, the girl's gotta go cook. I need to clean up the back of that.
Oh, I'm hot.
Whew, nice and AC. Oh,
Yay!
no. Wait a minute, you turn off the AC. Are you crazy? You see how hot it is outside? You better turn that AC back on, boy. We'll turn off AC. You can't afford to turn off the AC. It's too hot. Oh. Ooh. Your girl's got a package. All right. I'm gonna open it and see what it is. I think I know what it is, but I'm gonna check it out. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna get organized and home, started seasoning up my meat, and well, Faith is cleaning up the kitchen because we left Amanthus home, and of course the kitchen was a mess when I got home and he didn't clean it. But you know what, as ladies, come home and just do what we had to do and get it done. Had to pack out all the groceries and other stuff that we had, so I am just mixing up my seasoned meat right now. So yeah, we're making some liver and white rice for dinner, just keeping it simple because hubby said that's what he wants. And for me, liver is good because I got low iron, and I'd rather be eating food that are healthy in iron than be constantly taking some pharmaceutical pills. That's not really doing much for me, but I just gotta mix the both of them. So that is what we're currently doing. That one over there playing house, and yeah, so I'm just here holding a vibes, about to play some tunes, and yeah, end up calling it
a day.
Yeah, so and that's what we're going to do. So I got my pot on right now, rice is going, and ooh, I could get started with this. Oil there, rice there. I gotta go put some scallion and thyme and butter in that bad boy, so I'm gonna go do that right now. And Faith is going to help me cook, so she's gonna put in the liver and stuff. Can you pass me the bell peppers so I can finish cutting up the vegetables? So I'm just gonna cut up the rest of the vegetables to get them in the pot ASAP. And yeah, and that is about it. So thank you. Can you pass me an onion, please? All right. Much.
You're not hurrying up though.
Rice is pretty much done already. Just gotta turn it down a bit. It's almost finished here. So I put in my stuff and everything is going. A cooking series with Mr. Williams. What do you guys think? Would you guys like to see a cooking series video with him? Let me know. He is a very good cook and I want to get him cooking. I want to get him back in the kitchen so you guys can see all his creations. And he actually does love to cook. I don't know why he doesn't want to cook. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys would want to see him do some cooking videos or us doing like a cooking series together. Yeah, so right now I'm about to finish pretty much clean up this clean up the kitchen, just get everything back in order. And I actually have a video, another video that's coming out that I'm gonna do for you guys. Good night. So I am about to dish our dinner right now. So hubby's finally home, so we are going to eat, and yeah, I guess we're just gonna hang out as a family and watch some movies, and I'm gonna finish doing some laundry because that's what the girl is doing. And yeah, we're just gonna call it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment in the comment below. And don't forget to smash that notification bell.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick on